How to create custom paper sizes on Canon printer. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to print on non-standard paper sizes and create a custom paper size for Canon printer, today we are going to guide you through the process, so let's get started. So you can open our printer settings. For that you can press Windows plus R, and there just go and type in Control and type in printers and hit enter, and it will open up our settings. But in there, at the top menu, we can look out for printer and scanners and click on it. And there, look out for our printers and look out for the option called Printer Server Properties. Print Server Properties and open it up. Now from here, go to the Forms tab, the first one, and you can look out for this option called Create a New Form and click on it. After you check it up, you can enter up a form name here, enter up new form name, and you can enter the paper dimensions after that. So we have width, height, printable area, margins, etc. You can look out for width, set it to 100, height to 100 as well, and you can just go and click on this option called apply and save up the form, and that's it. After that, you can open up the document that you want to print and just type in Ctrl+P and it will open up the printer properties, and you can use that, select your custom form from there, and that's it. Some of the Canon printers limit maximum and maximum paper sizes, minimum and maximum, so that if the custom size does not appear, you can restart the printer driver or the computer, and that should help you. So that is it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.